Hello everyone, this is Mario from Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Alex Duetto Espresso machine. Now for this machine we had to do quite a lot of work as we had to replace the boiler safety valve and the vacuum release valve. We replaced the vacuum release valve first, and as this was leaking a lot, and once the machine was at the temperature like you see right there, this safety valve started leaking from here slowly, so that will force a heating element and the machine to continuously keep up with the target temperature. And if this is leaking, this is just going to overheat the entire machine. So we replaced that. We also had to replace the floater of the water tank. This is the old floater of the water tank is inserted in the machine. This one was not getting detected by the machine itself. So whenever the water tank was out of water, the machine will just continuously keep pumping, and it will not stop pumping water. It will just not detect that there was no water in the tank. So we replaced that, and now the machine detects that there's no water or if there's water in the tank. We also had to replace the two little focus. These two little O-rings that are here. These are from the steamer valves. This steamer valve was leaking a lot. This one was leaking a little bit, but we serviced both. We completely disassembled all of them, deep cleaning them, and replace all the gaskets as well. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're going to be testing this beautiful machine. Hopefully I pick up the right grind sense of this machine. Otherwise we're going to see drip coffee or coffee barely dripping. Apologize for that. I didn't have the hose fully inside the water tank, and the machine was just pulling out the remaining water from the hose, and it was not pressurizing as you saw before. So now let's redo that shot. Hopefully I pick up the right grind sense of this machine. Otherwise we're gonna see drip coffee or coffee barely dripping. We're gonna do a little bit of pre-infusion just by slowly raising the lever and then giving it full pressure. And it's gonna be very fast, probably because I didn't time too hard this time. But we're still gonna be able to see a nice crema coming out from that beautiful shot. Pressure from the water pump, as you can see, is at 11 bars. I'm going to stop it around here. You can see really good crema coming out from this beautiful shot. Looking amazing. Excellent water flow and excellent flow rate out of the group head. Now we're going to be testing the water tank sensor. We're just going to run water through the group head until it stops until it runs out of water, and then there you go. The machine now ran out of water. The floater is on the right position. It will start beeping, and it will not do anything. It will not heat up. It will not pump water as well. It will just keep beeping until the water of the tank gets filled up, which we're going to be doing. Okay, now that the machine is beeping, we put a bit of water, and now the machine is back again to heating mode. The pump can be activated because there's water in the tank as well. Going all the way to 11 bar. PID turning on, it will actually just start heating up. And if we run out of water again, the machine will just do the exact same thing as well. Let's just reproduce that. There you go. Machine ran out of water again, and it goes back into the water tank mode, where the PID turns off, the water pump stops. You will not be able to do anything until you put water back again inside the machine. And then the machine will just heat up again. So there you have it. Alex Duetto working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit the like, hit the bell, and thanks for watching. And just to show you the steamer again, as you can see, steaming properly, no leaks. Hot water as well, and no leaks. And machine filling up as well. Thanks for watching.